welfare, VIT Chennai is the backbone of all the events conducted in our vibrant community. He manages and facilitates a spectrum of student-centric activities including clubs, events, sports, counseling and discipline. We are delighted to have him guide the way and help us to translate our visions into reality. I now request Sir to address the gathering.
Respected VP Sir, conveners and other faculty colleagues and my dear student volunteers, it's a great pleasure and honor to be here. And I would like to give a very big round of applause to every one of you. Because with your support, Sir's able guidance, we made Vibrance as an international brand now. If you go and check in the online, Vibrant has become a very big brand because the growth compared to the previous year, it has been phenomenal now. Yesterday we had another discussion with the other counterpart, other colleges. They are saying that Vibrance is far ahead than all other colleges in Chennai. So that's only because of you. And very importantly, all this meticulously guided by our respected VP Sir, because he has taken a very much care on each and everything he has directed us so that we would be able to do that. And with your support, we made a great thing. So you know very well, fest like this it cannot be done by a single person or a very limited people with a very big team. There are some people that didn't come today. So with all your support, we made it a great. And VP, I still remember last year Thanksgiving meeting, Sir said one statement. Next year Vibrance will be bigger, better and great. Same thing it became true, and we had a very big line of artists and nobody can bring such kind of big artists, and that has happened only because of the Sir's great guidance. And I wish to thank Sir as well as the entire team for this wonderful show. And definitely I am really finger crossed what will be the next Vibrance 24 and the 25, and it is going to be much bigger, better, but I don't know what is going to happen. Let us listen from VP Sir. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all the best.
We now request our inspiring leader, Dr. Shekhar Vishwanathan, Vice President of Vellore Institute of Technology, to address the gathering.
Before I start, one thing unique is this is the first time we are using this auditorium. We are inaugurating the auditorium later, but so this will be remembered forever and ever, right? I'm sure this auditorium is going to witness thousands and thousands of events, but there will be only one first event, and that has been Vibrance 24 Thanksgiving. So, because you have a special place at VIT. Vibrance always has a special place at VIT. So, let me join everybody in congratulating all of you for the success, and a big thank you, especially to the DSW and the conveners, the faculty members, the staff, and the entire student team. Let's give another big round of applause. How many other times you clap, it's not enough. Vibrance 23, we had a detailed session on what are all the things we can do better. And he has a huge checklist. And that checklist has been completely checked. So we made sure no drone went anywhere close to the stage. There are so many things, right, which we don't anticipate earlier. So things went on very well. Everything was great. So in his speech, Sir mentioned that we have become the best in Chennai. Obviously, that's not enough. We have to become best in the country to start with. I'm sure in Vibrance 25, we are going to make it even bigger and better. There are, I'm sure, more events, better artists, so many things. There is a lot of scope for improvement. And I think the biggest worry for next year is going to be the space for the pro shows, right? So we need bigger space, a lot of bigger challenges ahead, because the benchmark which you have set for Vibrance 24 is this much. So to cross the benchmark of Vibrance 24 is going to be tougher, but I'm sure you are all up to the challenge. Are you all ready? Yeah. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. To express our sincere gratitude for their tireless efforts, we will now present tokens of appreciation to the esteemed faculty heads and dedicated committee members. I request our Honorable Vice President to distribute the mementos and certificates. I now call upon the faculty heads of the registration committee, Dr. Bhargiraja S., Dr. Christy Jackson J., Dr. Gayatri R., Dr. Jayaram B., Dr. Ilavarsi A.K., Dr. Mohana N., Dr. Rajesh R., and the committee leads, Sam Prince Franklin, Varshit R.P., Rahul V., Abhinesh V. Gaurav Prasad to receive the momentous certificates. The faculty heads and the committee leads are requested to come near the stage for the committee group photo. I now call upon the faculty heads of the website committee, Dr. Premalata and Dr. Prasad, and the committee leads, Shyam Sundar, Sheikh Mohammed Emmanuel Alif. I now call upon the faculty heads of the merchandise committee, Professor Vinu Soundarya and Dr. Bhuvaneshwari. The working committee members are requested to arrange themselves below the stage for the group picture. I now call upon the faculty heads of the sponsorship committee, Dr. Ganesh and Dr. Muthu Manikandan V, Dr. Saurabh Gupta, the committee leads, Arnab Nayak, Syed Owaisi, Aishwarya, Vaishnavi Makkar, Srivatsan, and I request the working committee members to arrange themselves. Faculty heads of the Design and Printing Committee, Dr. Rajeshwari S, Dr. Rajesh M, Dr. Vishwajit Jina, and the student heads Harshada Venkat, Vinay Malkar, Ashna Sachdeva, Kalyani Chandra. I now call upon the faculty heads of the Pro-Show Committee, Dr. Sofna Rekha and Dr. Prakash V, and the student heads Mohammad Adil, Ashish, Yanesh Padola, Aishwarya Mishra. I now call upon the faculty heads of the marketing committee, Dr. Umayal C, Dr. Vaideki D, Dr. Vijayalakshmi, Dr. Ansuya, and Mr. Naveen, and the student heads Utsav, Krish Rajiv, Manuya Reddy, Saptarishi, Avinash Sinha, Pratibha on stage. The Budget and Finance Committee, Dr. Vasuki and Dr. Jayanti, and the student leads Pravartika and Anika. I now call upon the faculty heads of the ambience team, Dr. Sriram Lakshmi and Dr. Maheshwari S, and the student heads Spandan, Aditya, Gayatri, and Ayushi.
I now call upon the Event and Venue Management Committee heads, Dr. Vinita Ji, Dr. Anas Fatima, Dr. Felix, and Dr. Henna Grace. And the committee heads Adityan V, Roshni V, Mitali Jaju, Pratyasha, Uditanand, Varshini S, Santosh Malarvandan, Payas Karan. I now call upon the faculty heads of stage committee, Dr. Anjali Gopakumar, Dr. Manivandan, Dr. Nilaki Selvan, and Dr. Praveen. And the committee heads, Bonesh S, Gokul, Bharat Krishna, Devaratan, Akula Ritvika, Vigneshwar Sidhu.
I now call upon the faculty heads of the Photography and Videography Committee, Dr. Santosh Ji and Dr. Neeraj Kumar, and the student leads Sarveshwaran, Jagadish, Josephine, Gautam, Sudhansh, and Anjali. I now call upon the faculty heads of Editorial Press and Media Committee, Dr. Shivkumar S. and Dr. Vineet R. and the student heads Shaktivel, Shraddha and Chetna. I now call upon the faculty heads of the Stall Committee, Dr. M. B. Shyamkumar, Dr. Govnath, Dr. Giridharan and Dr. Sendil Pandya, and the student heads Vardhan, Hariharan, Sohil and Chris. I now call upon the faculty heads of the MC team, Dr. Divya and Dr. Lakshmi Priya, and the student heads Moksha, Dhananjayan, Pragya and Hamsini. Heads of the discipline committee, Dr. Raja Venkateshan, Dr. Manoj Kumar, Dr. Vedmadi, Dr. Jagannath, Dr. Mohammed Imran, Dr. Santosh S, Dr. Virgin Raja, Dr. Johnny Anbarsi, Dr. Gracelyn, Dr. Modigari Narendra, Professor Mridul Shenoy, Professor Abhishek Raj, Professor Aditya S, Dr. Prema, Dr. Saiji, Professor Vijay Bharati Ravi Kumar, Professor Aswati, Dr. Sivakumar, Dr. Milind Srinivas, Dr. Sanjit Das, Dr. Pankaj Shukla, Dr. Mahalakshmi Tiwari, Dr. Vineet Radhakrishnan, Dr. Praveen Kakra, Dr. Ganesh, Dr. Reef Wesley, Dr. Malay Bhattacharya and Professor Abdul Hasan, and the student heads Abdul Sattar, Augustine Prabhakaran, Sai Abhishek, Omkar, Kangana, Pavan Kalyan, Ayush Gupta. I now call upon the faculty heads of the reception and on-stage committee, Dr. Naga Jayanti, Dr. Saranya Nair, Dr. Nadya, and the student heads, Varun, Sanjita, Gulmini and Varun. I now call upon the faculty heads of VIP guest care committee, Dr. Venugopal, Dr. Ravi Prakash, Dr. Subhashni, and the student heads Pratyansh, Bhavya, Ronak, Guhan, Anish, Sainya and Aditi. Mr. Balamurli, Ms. Divya Priya, Dr. Selva Ganesh, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Ms. Manjula, and Secretary of Student Welfare, Ms. Aarti. I now call upon the STC team to receive their mementos. Next, I call upon the electrical team to receive their mementos. Accounts team to receive their mementos. Next, I call upon the purchase team to receive their mementos. Next, I request the transport, housekeeping and guest house teams to receive their mementos. I request the horticulture team and the PRO team to come on stage to receive their mementos. We request our Vice President Sir to present the memento to the conveners of Vibrance 24, Dr. Balamurgan and Dr. Satya Narayan, Assistant Director Student Welfare. I request our Vice President Sir to present the memento to our Director of Student Welfare. I now request Rohitan to propose the vote of thanks.
My heartiest gratitude to our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan, our Vice Presidents, Mr. Shankar Vishwanathan, Dr. Shekhar Vishwanathan, Dr. G. V. Selvam, and Assistant Vice President, Ms. Kadambari S. Vishwanathan, for giving us this magnanimous platform to showcase our talents. I would also like to thank our Vice Chancellor, Dr. V. S. Kanchana Bhaskaran, Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. T. Tyagarajan, Additional Registrar, Dr. P. K. Manoharan, Director Students Welfare, Dr. Rajsekharan V., the conveners of Vibrance 24, Dr. Balamurgan, Dr. Satya Narayanan, Assistant Director Students Welfare, and all deans, directors and faculty members for their continuous support and guidance. My heartfelt thanks to our UDS team, housekeeping team, guards and all the supporting staff who played a major role in helping with the smooth execution of all the events during this a Immaculate Fest. I would like to extend my thanks to all the working committees of Vibrance for being assiduous in their hard work, which majorly contributed to the success of Vibrance 24. I'm also very thankful to the participants and all the spectators who helped us make Vibrance 24 more vibrant. We can't wait to explore beyond the horizon with you all for Vibrance 25. Thank you one and all.